Welcome to Tech Tricks. In this video I'm going to show you how you can run a Windows virtual machine with a simple click. Welcome back. Before we get started, you need to know that this method only works on Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Enterprise. If you want to check what version of Windows you have, just simply go to Start menu and search for System Information. And here in the OS name, you can see your Windows version. If you don't have Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise, then you will need to upgrade your Windows to one of those versions in order to use this method. So let's get started. First we need to activate Sandbox feature. Go to Start menu, search for Turn on and off features. Scroll down and activate Windows Sandbox. Wait a few seconds, then restart your computer. Once finished, we can easily run our virtual machine now. Just simply go to Start menu and search for Sandbox. And here is R1 click. Wait a few seconds. And here is our virtual machine ready to be used. To share folders between your PC and the virtual machine, just simply select the file, press Ctrl+C, and then Ctrl+V into the virtual machine. Before we finish, you need to know that once you close this virtual machine, everything inside it will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button, and to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next trick.